In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing transactions to QuickBooks Online. If a bank transaction you expect to see isn't showing up, the quickest fix is to refresh your bank feed, check whether it was excluded, and then confirm it in the account register. I'll walk you through that flow so you can quickly spot where the transaction is and make sure your books stay accurate. First, go to QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. It helps to use a supported, up-to-date browser so everything loads smoothly. Next, open Bank Transactions. This takes you to the Banking Center, where you'll see tiles for each connected bank or credit card account and the list of downloaded items. This page is your hub for anything coming in from the bank feed, so it's the right place to start when something appears to be missing. Make sure you're looking at the correct bank or card account so you're not scanning the wrong feed. Now click Update. This forces QuickBooks to pull the latest data from your bank and will often bring in transactions that weren't there a moment ago. Give it a few seconds to finish. Keep in mind that some banks only send a limited number of days at a time. Very old transactions may not download from the bank feed even after an update. If you still don't see the transaction after updating, click the Excluded tab. This tab shows items that were removed from review earlier. It's common for something to be excluded accidentally or during cleanup. Seeing it here confirms it did download, but it's not currently in your books because excluded items don't post to your accounts. Reviewing this tab helps you understand whether the transaction was filtered out rather than missing from the feed altogether. When you're done checking the feed, go to the Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of all your accounts in QuickBooks and the place to verify what actually made it into your books, not just what's pending from the bank. From the Chart of Accounts, click View Register for the bank or credit card account you're working with. The register shows the transactions that are in that account in QuickBooks. You should now see the transaction added in the account if it downloaded previously and is already in your books. The register view makes it easy to confirm the date, payee, amount, and the current status at a glance. That's it. You went to QuickBooks, opened bank transactions, updated the feed, checked excluded, and verified the results in the account register. If a transaction still doesn't appear, it may be outside your bank's download window or pending at the bank, so follow up accordingly.